This is the before.
Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and, you know, I totally have it going on.
What's good, Fraanse Fam? So today I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light that I got. It's been sitting in my room for weeks and I was like, I'm not gonna open it until I record myself opening it because I really want you guys to see it. As you can see, it's nighttime. Well, not really nighttime, it's like 5:30, but it looked dark. And honestly, the lighting that I've been using has been real hood. Like, I've been using my vanity light to record a lot of my videos, and I'm like, I've been on YouTube for 4 years. It's finally time to invest in better like video software and video things. And so I want to show you guys this ring light, and I'm not gonna do much talking. I'm gonna just get right into it. I have these little scissors. So I mean, of course, I'm gonna put the link in the description box to show you guys exactly where I got this from. I was gonna actually, like, sometimes I can be very cheap. I was gonna order like a ring light that was cheaper, and then I was like, when it comes to buying cheap stuff, you're gonna end up paying more money because it's not gonna work that long. And so it's not really worth it to buy something that's like really cheap, because then it's gonna break and then you gotta get another one. So you might as well, if you're gonna buy something, you need to really buy something that's worth it, if that makes sense. There's this. So this is the company I bought it from. It's called NEEWER. And this video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really want to put you guys on some good game before the new year starts. So anybody that's an upcoming YouTuber or anything like that, or you just want some good lighting to take pictures, this might be the wave. It was about $60 for all of this. So it comes in a carrying bag. Alright. It comes with the ring light. And it has, oh, we got a lot going on. I can't wait to set this up, y'all. Like, it's been a long time coming. Y'all can see how dark it is. So this is the bag. It's a really good size. Like, if you're somebody that does like photo shoots or anything like that, I think it's a good vibe to really get something like this. I feel like it's investing in yourself. If you're not investing in yourself, who will? You understand? Y'all, this is about to be so rigged. It's about to be so rigged. My favorite thing about it though is what really sold me is that I can sit my phone in the middle of the ring light and record like that. Cause I really use my phone to record. I know y'all think I probably have a camera. I don't. Sorry to break it to you. I really use a ring light. Okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this stand on hooked up. I just need to show you guys the lighting difference. So you see the lighting now. Let me show you the lighting difference. What I'm trying to figure out is, how do you turn this thing on? Girl, how you turn this on? Y'all can tell this ain't no cap video. Like, I literally, this is the first time I'm taking this out the box. You know how people be capping, talking about unboxing, and they done hooked it up already? No. Oh no. Like I said, you guys, it comes with this really nice bag. You can put everything in there. I just feel really professional all of a sudden. Like, I don't know, I'm excited. Like, stuff like this excites me. And I was trying to show you guys this, but this is the little click thing. If you want to take a selfie and you don't have anybody to take it for you, you can click that, or you can put your timer. You can put a timer on the recording of the picture. So as you guys can see, this is where the phone sits. You can pull this thing up or down if you have a bigger phone. I have an iPhone X right now, so it can fit. Then you have all of this down here going on the plug. It took me a while to find like the way to turn it on and everything. So it's right there. There it is. And then, like I said, you can put these things over it for just a different color type of thing. If you don't want this type of lighting, you want to do something that might add a little bit of color, you can add these on top. To put these on were very easy. You just pop them on. Make sure you overlap them, or it'll kind of be off from the alignment. And then you can turn this thing sideways. You can unscrew it and turn it that way if you want to have your camera facing a different type of way. And that's it. All right, guys, moment of truth. So this is the before. This is the after. Do y'all see this? Ciao. Do y'all see this? Like, watch this. Watch what I was working with for 4 years. That's what I was working with. Terrible. So this is intensity 1. And then you can turn it up a notch. Boom. Boom. You can turn it up even higher. Boom. We talking Instagram. We're talking everything. We're just talking. We're talking everything. You can do everything with this light. Like, I'm not even getting promo for this. I'm just trying to put y'all on. I'm telling y'all, it was real raggedy around here when I was trying to record videos, and it was like no lighting. I was using, if I could show y'all what I was using before, y'all would laugh. I was using one of those lamps that you could attach to the table. That's not no real light. It was time to upgrade. Then I think, ooh, even brighter. That's too much though. Like, I can't. I'm not even gonna be able to see. Ooh, you can go even brighter. Jeez. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. All right, we'll turn it down. But if you're working with brands, you're a barber, you're a lash person, you do any type of beauty, working with brands, whatever, like, get you a ring light. Because pictures, lighting is everything. Lighting and video quality and sound is everything. Like, without that, if you talking about being taken serious on a professional level, you might want to invest. So this is the color border. I just want to show you guys how it looks when recording. To show the difference before with the color border, and then this is after. You see how, like, this is like more like warm tone, more like, you know, if you want to do something more different. I think this looks better on my skin tone. The other one is just more clear, like for makeup and stuff like that. This might be more like photo shoot, something like that. So it's just all about what you want. It does come with both, whether you like it or not. Like I said, I think this is a really good buy, and I think it's important with the way the pandemic has been and everything, like Zoom and everything. A lot of times if you don't have good lighting, it looks crazy, and a lot of interviews are virtual now. If you're talking with schools virtually and everything, you want to make sure that lighting is amazing. Everything is virtual right now, so why not? It's like perfect timing for something like this. So it's really, so they also have these color ones. These are very important. It comes with the instructions. It wasn't too hard once I really tried to do it off camera. And then you can also use it hands-free. It comes with this. If you want to take selfies, you can just click and it'll snap it up for you. It's very, very, very cool. Like I said, it comes with a bag and many different things that, I mean, it would be important to use if you're really trying to upgrade your stuff. And then you don't have to do the most either. Like, I'm telling you, I've been on YouTube for 4 years and I'm just in a ring light. It's crazy to think that, but hey, you know, I've been trying, but hey, here we are. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a really good ring light. I will put the ring light link in the description box from Amazon so you guys can see what's been going on. And I will see you guys in the next video. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top. Also, too, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the bottom of this video. So every time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy this video. If there's any questions, anything I might have left out, please leave a comment below. Like I said, I will put the link in the description box for Amazon, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure to click here or here for the next video, and make sure to subscribe so that you're always in the loop of the next video. Bye.